week's video, I commented about how the dollar store industry makes billions of dollars by selling cheap junk. Now, since this channel, Allie Picked, is all about making cool stuff from junk, I thought it would be a great idea if I challenged myself by building something cool and useful using dollar store junk. Let's head over there. So I picked up a dozen things at the dollar store. Were you one of them?
No.
How much were you?
I know.
So I've got these plastic cases, 10 of them, some universal hooks, and then some adhesive labels. The idea here is to build a box around this and then a handle at the top. So this is going to be a nice, cool storage bin. And what better way to bling it out than with some free Harbor Freight tools, like a magnetic parts holder, some screwdrivers, and then even this magnetic strip which can hold tools. Pretty cool. Mm-hmm. And then for the box itself, I'm going to build it using some 1/2-inch plywood I found in the alley, of course. And then I had some of this scrap 1/8 of an inch hardboard. We're going to use this for the shelves. Let's get to cutting. Gonna help?
Yep.
All right, let's go to the garage. After taking some measurements of the container, I begin by cutting the plywood into 7-inch strips for the top, bottom, and sides of the box. I'm not one to create plans and designs ahead of time. I sort of wing it on most of my projects. I want to have enough space between the shelves for the containers, then a space at the bottom for a notepad, and extra space at the top for the handle. So now with the box built and the chalk paint dry, I can install the shelves, add all the accessories, and then we can put this thing to work. You have it. I think it came out actually pretty good. Each container has 9 compartments, so that's 90 spaces that you can put your crafts, your screws, your nails, whatever you want. It's got a placeholder on the side for a hammer, screwdrivers on the back. It's got chalk paint so you can write on it, you can take notes. And then if you want to, I also have these labels. After we decide what to put inside of them, you can label each one. Thanks for watching Alley Picked, where we always make cool stuff from junk and sometimes dollar store junk. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Alley Picked, and click on the bell if you want to be notified of future videos. Until next time, I'll meet you in the alley.